This is no longer your home, and I am no longer your master.
Oh, yes, you have a new favorite.
I rotted in jail for 20 years because of your weakness.
Obeying your master is not weakness.
You knew I was the Dragon Warrior. You always knew. But when Kongfu said otherwise, what did you do?
Nothing. You were not meant to be the Dragon Warrior. That was not my fault.
I did! I did to make you proud! Tell me how proud you are, Chifu! Tell me! Tell me!
It was my pride. I've always been proud that finding me. I loved you too much to see what you were becoming. But I was turning you into. I'm sorry.